There's a familiar saying, pay me now or pay me later. In the 4+ decades I have been in the organizing industry and dealing with people and their paper, I have found that to be so true. Even though people now are producing less paper because they've moved to digital, many people still have the paper that's left from the days before they didn't go digital. And also, there are many clients of ours who work with them by themselves. They don't have to share information with anyone, and they prefer paper. Actually, I happen to be one of those, so I still use quite a lot of paper because I prefer it. But I think about a client I had many years ago when they knew there was a problem about their paper, but they didn't do anything about it. It cost literally thousands of dollars. I received a call from a president of a university, and she said, I'm retiring from the university, and I have file cabinets full of stuff. Some of it is my personal stuff. Some of it needs to go, it needs to be trashed. Some of it needs to stay with the university. Can you help me? So I flew to the university and met with her, and there were literally banks of file cabinets. There was actually a room that used to be a file room, and they cleaned that out and put people's desks in it, but didn't do anything about the paper. And so I described to her what needed to be done. I'd done it hundreds of times. And her team ended up spending 2 months dealing with all the paper that had collected in those years. By the same token, I had a university president call me and wanted me to come and work with her in what we then called the 8-hour miracle. And I spent 8 hours helping her use our proprietary finding system to organize her files. 23 years later, she called me and said, I'm retiring from the university. Some of the files I have, I've been using your system ever since you created it, but some of the files need to stay with the university. Some I want to take with me because I have a podcast, and some need to go to my daughter because I'm doing end-of-life planning, and I haven't figured out how to do that. Can you help me? I went to her office, and 4 hours later, we had it all done. So in her case, it took 4 hours, and in the other case, it took a whole team about 2 months. So if you have paper, if you have a paper problem, don't start with the old stuff. Stop the problem. And that's where Productive Environment Institute comes in, because we have a system that you can use to stop the paper problem forever.